Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, classmates. I am Raya Bisayson, and I'm together with my companion,
Yuzel Faitsi Tangayan.
and we'll be reporting the region of Waray. So the objective of our topic is to understand the origin and the characteristics of the Waray language, to explore the cultural identity and attitudes of the Waray people, and to learn about the history and distribution of the Waray language and people. So Waray people are a subgroup of the Visayan people whose primary language is the Waray language, or also called Lenate or Samanon, an Austronesian language native to the island of Samar, Leyte, and Bilaran, which together comprise the Eastern Visayas region of the Philippines. Waray people inhabit in the whole island of Samar, where they are called Samaranos or Samarnons, the northern part of the island of Leyte, where they are called Leyteanos, and the island of Bilaran. On Leyte Island, the Waray people occupy the northern part of the island, separated from the Cebuano language, speaking Leyteanos by a mountain range in the middle of the island. So what is the other language of Waray? Waray-Waray, commonly spelled as Waray, also referred to a Winaray or Lenate Samarnon, or Samarnon is a language spoken in the provinces of Samar, Northern Samar, Eastern Samar, and some part of the Leyte and Bilaran. Waray is a native language about 2.6 million people in the Eastern Visayas region of the Philippines. Jerry Yubal Jr., Leyte Philippines, Waray-Waray is one of the major native language in the Philippines with roughly 4 million speakers to date.
Waray, also known as Waray-Waray or Bisaya or Binisaya nga Winaray, Spanish idioma Samareño, meaning Samar language, is an Austronesian language and the fifth most spoken native regional language of the Philippines. Native of Eastern Visayas, it is the native language of the Waray people and second language of the Abaknon people of Kapul, Northern Samar, and some Cebuano-speaking peoples of western and southern parts of Leyte Island. It is the third most spoken language among the Visayan languages, only behind Cebuano and Hiligaynon. Here are some common Waray words. Can you understand Waray? In Tagalog, nakakaintindi ka ba ng Waray? In Waray language, nasabot kahin Winaray or hin or hiton. Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening. Maupay na aga. Thank you is salamat. I love you. Hinihigugma ko ikaw or ginhihigugma ko ikaw or pinakura ta ikaw. What is the meaning of Waray language? It's none. Nomenclator, the term Waray comes from the word often heard by non-speakers, meaning none or nothing. In the language, similarly, Cebuanos are known in Leyte as mga kana and their language as kana. After the oft-heard word kana meaning dot in the Cebuano language. Where did the Waray dialect came from? Believed to have originated from a group of Austronesian speaking people, they migrated from Taiwan to the Philippine Islands. Using sailboats, rafts, or outrigger canoes in the Philippines, they developed a distinct culture and language, which become known as Waray. Traits and attitude. Courageous. Known for their bravery and resilience, Waray people are very well known to have the ability to face danger, difficulty, uncertainty, or pain without being overcome by fear or being deflected from a chosen courses of action. Strong-willed or persistent. Able to face challenges and adversity. They keep trying even when things are tough. Traditions. Many Waray traditions can be traced to pre-colonial times. For example, The Koratsa dance is a very popular traditional dance of the Waray-Waray at many social gatherings, especially weddings. It is very common throughout summer. The couple who dances the Koratsa are showered with money by the people around them. Stereotypes. They are often stereotyped as brave warriors as in the popular phrase, basta ang waray, hindi uurong sa away, meaning waray never back down from a fight. They are also known as contented people, so much so that during the Spanish era, they were often called lazy for being contented to live in simplicity as farmers and for making tuba palm wine from coconut nectar. Pregnancy. When a woman anticipates, she is expected to pangipa or to crave for a particular food. Her craving must be satisfied. It is believed that if a pregnant woman craves for a fruit which is still on the tree, she must be given that fruit, otherwise the tree would not bear fruit the next season. The folk belief is that qualities of the food that the pregnant woman craved for would be inherited by the child. She must surround herself with the pleasant and the beautiful for the baby to be so too. Key takeaways. The Waray language is a vibrant and important part of Filipino culture. The Waray people are known for their courage, resilience, and strong cultural identity. The Waray language and people have a rich history and continue to thrive today. And that's the end of our report. Thank you.